Welcome to Archiesense. This project is located in Wuhan, Ganlushan Culture Creativity City. A large-scale cultural and tourism complex that integrates elements of ice and snow. This project marks WikiWorld's step to contribute to the design of tourism complexes, while still creating a space that feels isolated from the world. In collaboration with the client and the community, they designed the Island Living Plan, which involves a series of island cabins that offer a back-to-nature experience. The Oasis Cabin is the first completed work in this plan. The Oasis Cabin is designed as an introspective getaway, located on a small island in the middle of a lake that is only big enough to accommodate one cabin. The cabin has a green façade that blends into the environment, providing a hidden space that maximizes privacy while creating a tranquil retreat as requested by the client. The entire structure of the cabin is made of laminated wood using digital technology that ensures a 100% accurate assembly construction process. The design of this cabin is conceived as an art exhibition in the middle of nature, reflecting the client's artistic vision as an artist. This cabin becomes a personal representation of how to understand life and place to live. WikiWorld focuses on the philosophy of build small, dream big, presenting cabins that prioritize the relationship between living behavior and the environment. These cabins are designed to provide a living experience that is different from everyday routines, awakening awareness of the small elements and details of nature. The Oasis, which resembles a mini castle, consists of 2 bedrooms and a living room connected by a narrow corridor. The cabin has a private inner courtyard and a spacious terrace to enjoy the view of the water and starry sky. This space offers an exclusive experience as a place of recreation and introspection, where the interaction between humans and nature is manifested in every element of its design.